Ready and register.
On
your own. So the female team will follow, see? Yeah. So in a few, we'll start. You want to go and see it up in the front. Yeah. Well, 25 hour big to us and 6 hour. Can't split easy, man. Easy split. Alright, so read up the ball then. Persian and Burton.
What?
Young Zion, you are next. And Rooney. All out there want to listen to me, you know. Because I remember say each and every Wednesday night up at Yorktown Sports Complex football live, you know. Don't forget it, you know. Each and every Wednesday night Yorktown Sports Complex comes alive. Double header every night. Yeah. We're talking about the Dixon Jugs Tour, Pieces House Champions Cup. Yeah. Start 6 o'clock every Wednesday. So make sure you spread the word, you know. Spread the word. Each and every Wednesday.
Go on, I'm sorry.
2 matches. Yorktown Sports Complex. Alright? Don't forget, you know.
That's easy to hear, man.
Pressure. Score film, serious ball game. Don't fuck up in another.
That's easy to hear, brother.
Don't fuck up my killer. Don't fuck up my killer.
That's easy to hear, man.
Do or die, I know in another. Do or die.
Say that easy to hear, boy.
Do or die. Bumbo clad, kick you at the blood clad. Channel. Work the win, boy. Channel.
Champions